Good morning, grade 3. Our lesson for today is about forming the plural of irregular nouns. What is a singular noun? A singular noun names only one person, place, event, animal, or object. Example, girl, school, book. While a plural noun names more than one person, place, event, animal, or object. Example, girls, schools, books. What is irregular noun? Irregular noun, it is a noun that becomes plural by changing its spelling in other ways than adding an S or ES to the end of the word. Example of nouns that have irregular plural forms. Singular, child. Plural, children. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Man, men. Woman, women. A few nouns have the same singular and plural forms. They are sheep, Chinese, moose, grapefruit, deer, and salmon. A few nouns have only plural forms. They are scissors, jeans, savings, and juice. A few nouns that end with S look plural but are considered singular. They are measles, news, economics, and juice. Thank you, grade 3, for listening. See you again next time. God bless.